Another day doing HVAC. This motherboard is cooked, full of snow. The disconnect, the fuses, they're blown. The wood cooked. That's the new one. That's the old one. Now let's install it. We got the new fan there. We're gonna replace it because it's the old fan and it's defected. Just removed it. We're gonna put it on right now. Bam! Here's the new blower motor. Well, just finished wiring and everything. Now, time to make this look pretty. Alright, all wired, all zip tied, and looking nice. What's that? Job success.